Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Xbox error code 0X8007045D while installing or opening a game. So this particular error can sometimes come from the corrupted Blu-ray or system cache data. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to come inside the settings of your Xbox. Over here inside the settings, look for the option of devices and connections. Under devices and connection, look for the option of Blu-ray. Then when you are inside Blu-ray, look for the option of persistent storage. After that, in persistent storage, look for the option of clear persistent storage. Then after doing this, simply do it 2 to 3 times to fully clear the cached data. This particular step is going to restart your Xbox and you can try again. Now, if the storage is causing the issue, you can switch where the game is installed. For that, you just have to simply inside the settings, select the option of system. Over here inside system, look for the option of storage devices. Inside storage devices, look for the option of change install location. Then you need to set it to internal storage or another device. After doing this, you just have to reinstall the game from the library. Now this particular error is often linked to a faulty external hard drive. So you can also disconnect your external drive and try installing the game on the internal storage. If it works, your external drive may be damaged or slow. You can also plug the drive into a PC in order to test it. So you can try these troubleshooting methods and see if your Xbox is working properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.